Welcome to the International Whaling Commission's Cetacean Strandings Investigation training videos. In this video, we will demonstrate how to collect and store skin, blubber, and muscle samples. Examining blubber thickness provides information about body condition and energy reserves. Collecting skin, blubber, and muscle also enables a wide range of laboratory analysis. These tissues can be analysed to understand animal health, life history, and ecology. Skin and muscle provide data on genetics, feeding ecology, physiology, and heavy metal exposure. Blubber holds information on lipid reserves and fat-soluble contaminants such as persistent organic pollutants. Together, these tissues describe both short and long-term feeding patterns. Choose a clean, intact area of tissue, ideally just in front of, or cranial, to the dorsal fin. Avoid damaged or decomposed regions. Use a sharp, clean knife with a hilt. Hold it firmly in your dominant hand with your fingers around the handle. This improves control of the blade, reducing the risk of slipping or cutting yourself. Make an incision through skin and blubber using a sharp, clean knife. Begin at the dorsal fin and extend circumferentially around the girth to the ventral midline. Moving towards the head, repeat this cut and remove a tissue strip approximately 3 centimeters wide. Observe and record blubber color and consistency. Healthy blubber is typically white to light yellow. Discoloration, such as red, bruising, or deep yellow, jaundice, should be photographed and noted. Note any abscesses or parasites if present. Insert a ruler into the incision and measure blubber thickness at 3 points: dorsal, lateral, and ventral. Record these values. This helps assess the body condition. From the incision, collect a full depth section of skin and blubber about 3 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Handle with clean gloves and tools to avoid cross-contamination. Wrap samples for contaminant analysis in food-grade aluminium foil. This is to prevent leaching of compounds from the sample into the storage media. Place foil-wrapped samples in a labelled, airtight container and store it chilled until it can be frozen. Once skin and blubber are collected, take a muscle sample from beneath the same incision. Remove a small block of muscle. Avoid areas of bruising or contamination. This tissue can be used for genetics, isotope, and heavy metal analysis. If possible, samples for genetic analysis should be frozen or preserved in more than 70% ethanol. Contaminant samples should be wrapped in foil and frozen. External parasites, where present, should be stored in 70% ethanol. Label all containers clearly with species, date, location, and sample type using indelible ink. Keep samples chilled immediately after collection to slow decomposition and degradation. Minimize exposure to sunlight and heat. Once transported to a laboratory, samples should be frozen at -20 degrees for long-term storage. Build a logical sample storage system. Group samples by species, date, or sample type in labeled boxes. Maintain a corresponding digital database linking sample ID, tissue type, and storage location. The next video will provide an overview of internal organ anatomy and pathology.